Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw course sales earnings from Teachable step by step clearly. To withdraw course sales earnings from Teachable, first, log into your Teachable account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the admin panel. In the left sidebar, find and click on the Payouts option. Here, you'll see a summary of your available earnings. Check the available balance to ensure you have funds to withdraw. Next, click on the Withdraw button. A pop-up will appear, prompting you to enter the amount you want to withdraw. Input the desired withdrawal amount in the provided field. Ensure the withdrawal amount does not exceed your available balance. After entering the amount, select your preferred payout method. Teachable typically offers options such as PayPal or direct bank transfer. If you choose PayPal, ensure your PayPal account is linked to your Teachable account. For bank transfer, make sure your bank details are correctly entered in your account settings. Once you've selected the payout method, review the withdrawal details for accuracy. When you're ready, confirm the withdrawal by clicking the Confirm button. A notification will confirm that your withdrawal request has been submitted. Keep in mind that processing times may vary based on your chosen payout method. Finally, check your email for any updates regarding your withdrawal status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.